1, 2, 3. It's Eden Village Homestead, 'cause we're home instead. I'm bringing you somewhere special.
Where are we?
We are at the elderberry bushes. They go all the way back here.
Wow.
I'm Simone. I am the assistant director at Eden Village Camp, and we are doing some homestead skills at home instead and still connecting with the land and each other. And today, we are doing something very special with these plants. We are making elderberry syrup.
Woo!
And I'm here with Johanna behind the camera.
Hi.
So do y'all know what elderberries do? Elderberries are really good for immune boosting, getting your body ready to face cold and flu and fever. It's also really good for vitamin C. You can take it when you feel sick or when you just want to not get sick. And so, well, right now, like, check it out. These berries are green and they're not ready to harvest. What happens is, first we have these beautiful elder flowers, also very immune boosting and amazing in their own way. They turn into these berries. These berries turn like a blackish, purplish, beautiful color. And then we harvest them. So we've got a lot coming, but we're not going to harvest them until the end of Av. And we make elderberry syrup at camp because it's another way to preserve our harvest and preserve these berries, because if you let them just sit, obviously, you can't use them in the winter when, like, we really, really need their healing powers. And it's also a way for us to, like, support our bodies and support Shomrei Haguf. We are the guardians of our bodies, and we need to take extra protective care of them, and elderberries are our allies and our friends in that mission together. So I'm excited to make elderberry syrup with you. We can't make it from these, so we already have some dried elderberries up by the apothecary. Why don't you come with me and we can get started? Okay, everybody, I am in front of the apothecary and really excited to make this elderberry syrup with you. You only need a couple of things. Well, first you need elderberries. If you don't have an entire farm at your disposal or elderberry bushes in your yard, don't worry. You can order dried elderberries online, and it's the total exact same. You need some water, some honey, a stove pot situation, and a strainer. That's really all. So you are going to do 2 to 1. 1 elderberry, so this is a half cup, to 2 parts of water. This is in a full cup. And you're just going to pour it all together and simmer that down. So we're just going to wait a little while. And then you can add some other things in too. So if you want to add echinacea for some extra immune boosting support, or ginger for your belly, or cinnamon because it tastes delicious and warming, you can totally do that. You can be creative and make this taste and do kind of whatever you want. I'm just gonna go regular elderberry syrup right now with no add-ins, but please be creative. We're gonna let this simmer probably for about a half hour and boil down. I'm gonna show you mid-process. We got a good simmer/boil going on our elderberries, and what I'm waiting for is for the elderberry liquid to coat my spoon, which it is absolutely not yet. So we're gonna keep cooking it. It's only been about 5 minutes anyway. And now an announcement from a Eden Village elder, Barry. Hi everyone. It's been so amazing being a part of this community and healing all of you over the last 5 years. I really love being in all of your syrups and delicious herbal concoctions. I cannot wait for the next 5 years. Shout out to my bunk.
Woo! We love you, Elderberry! Yeah, that's my bunkmate!
Boop, boop, boop. Hey everyone, our elderberry is chugging along. Check out this super beautiful red color, and it smells amazing. I've been stirring it a lot so that nothing gets stuck to the bottom of the pan. And if you run out of water quickly, add a little bit of more water in. We don't want it to dry out before it gets like thick enough. And we are really almost there. You can see that it's like coating my spoon now when I stir it, and I'm gonna give it 5 more minutes and then shut it off. All right, y'all. Our elderberry syrup is ready for its next step. So if you want to come in here, Johanna, and take a look, it doesn't look like there's that much liquid in here, but when you press out, there's a lot more. And I'm gonna take the jar. I'm gonna put my elderberry syrup in, and this little cutie like strainer, and I'm gonna just like push my elderberries in and push it out. You see, I'm just getting like a lot of liquid just from pushing it out and mashing it down a little bit. And all that is good medicine that I don't want to lose. I'm gonna put this extra stuff in my little bowl here and come back to it. I'm gonna pour more in, mash it out. I'll probably be doing this for the next 10 minutes. You want to stick with me, or should we fast forward? All right, I have finished getting my elderberry juice out of the berries, and this is how much I've got. And then however much you have liquid, you're gonna add that amount of honey. So I'm going to here, I'm gonna try to bring my honey to here. It's quite a lot, and this is what preserves it. And honey has its own properties that are gonna help you through the cold season as well. So I'm just measuring with my eyeballs.
What does honey do for us?
Honey is antibacterial, and it's good for heart health, and it's a great preservative also. It also just tastes amazing, so it makes this medicine a little bit more enjoyable and bearable. I'm gonna stir it all the way up. I'm gonna just keep stirring and stirring and stirring because I want it to be completely blended in with the elder syrup. Okay, and now you can check out my consistency. It's very thick. It coats my spoon a lot. And you can put this in the refrigerator and take it every day or when you feel a cold coming on. We're not doctors and we're not going to tell you the dosage. So look it up and talk to your doctor about what makes sense for you and your family. I hope you really enjoy this. I really enjoy this all the time in the winter. I feel like it really helps me. We miss you, Eden Village Camp. We'll see you tomorrow for another homestead DIY video.
Bye.
Bye.